We're going to be talking now to Mike Purinton, who is a builder, and we just had a sort of a discussion about the economy and, of course, better fuel economy on the machines from Kubota. But Mike is a builder, and he's going to talk about the economy a little bit too, aren't you?
Yeah, I think the economy is picking up in our area a little bit.
Is it?
It's not where everyone would like it would be to be,
right.
But in general, everyone has a steady amount of work.
Well, tell us a bit about what it is you do. You're a general contractor?
Concrete and excavation contractor.
All right.
We started out as builders 30 years ago. Now the only building we do is concrete homes.
Okay. Mike, give us an idea of your location where you're at. Is it, are you into housing?
Housing and commercial.
And commercial.
Yep.
And are both of those sectors picking up?
Yeah, commercial's come back a little quicker than residential has. I'm from basically Hartford, Connecticut, so halfway between Boston and New York City.
Right.
I don't think we were affected as badly as a lot of places were. We didn't have a huge foreclosure market, so we didn't have to wait for that to dry up before the new construction started again.
If you could put your finger on one aspect of the construction industry that you think really needs some help, what would it be? Would it be in regulations? Would it be in fuel? Would it be in new equipment? What would it be? Or all of the above?
All the above. You know, fuel prices coming down would be nice. Regulations are just getting tougher and tougher, and there's not a lot that we can really do about that. Right. The regulations that are in place, we'd all be better off if they were either enforced or not enforced, because the guys that are trying to stick to the new codes and everything are losing jobs because there's a lot of guys that aren't doing that.
Okay.
So your price range is way wide.
Right. Well, after you've visited the show now, anything really sticks out that's intriguing to you?
We started doing pervious concrete probably about 5 years ago.
All right.
And the surface finish on it's always been a little bit questionable as far as most consumers like.
Yeah.
So there is a new product out here that it's a pan float that greatly improves the surface aesthetics.
Okay.
So that's one of the products we're looking at. Looking at taking some existing products and putting them into new uses to reduce cost.
Okay.
Nothing drastically mind-blowingly new.
Right.
A lot of products that can be transitioned into new uses.
Are coming in to fill maybe some of those voids that weren't available before, and now can help you out as maybe price a job or work a job?
Yeah, reduce the cost, reduce not only on material side costs but labor. Sure. Which will either help me get the job or put additional profits in my pocket.
Well, that's what everybody at the show is talking about, putting more profits in their pocket, reducing their costs overall of operation. Yep. So, Mike, appreciate you stopping by.
Thank you.
Mike Purinton from Purinton Builders, and another contractor to talk to us. So see what's happening, because there's just so many things that are new and so much fluidity that's available in this business.